Good morning to the rented people in the planet Earth. This is Jupiter Kisa speaking right now. You are watching my own YouTube channel. I am wrote before my own channel vlogs. Jupiter Kisa, Rikisa, Rikisa Kamikmik vlog, Chupalup Kamikmik vlog, Rikisa Pagsure Oy. I am writing for this one my own specific, my own five signatures. I will writing for this my own plain paper white. This is my own already. My blog was created to us. You see that one? I am the ownership of this blog. There's nobody can get it anyone. Without consent of Mr. Jupiter Kisa, it's my. I am appear my own signatures, five signatures. Date today is December 4, 2024. Time 9:45 AM. I am Jupiter Kisa. I'm 49 years old. This coming December 16, 2024. After this one, I will tour my own residential house in Davao City, in Julibel subdivision. I know there's a lot of people will be interested to them. If you want to interested, I will sell it for you. I will. I leave this place because this place very danger. I tour for them. You see my house. You see my roof. If I'm rich, this is not already my own roof. This is my door. You see, my inside. This is my own bedroom. You see? This is my own majesty. Jesus Christ, my own Lord. My own God. You see on the roof. You see? This is not already air conditioned. I am living ordinary people like the poorer people. I am the second room. Remember for quote this one? I was already posted. You see? You see the roof? I'm so very blessed to us, our God, because He gave everything to us. This is the second floor area, not already finished, but because of lacking of money. I'm going to ground floor. My house was already built in 2008. The land was already buying in 2005. This is the ground floor. This is my own dining. The kitchen. This is already painted, was already posted. You see the time? It's me. That's only the certification. I was already studied in DMM College. I turned to the outside. You see that one? This is my own aquarium. The aquatic aquarium. I like the fish. Especially my own dogs. This is my own motorcycle that was already acquired last 2011. I was working in Racal Motorcycles. I was already using it right now. I'm going to outside to see what is the places here. What's the stretch? This is my own other residential. Was already deep to the one of the cooperative in Davao City that's already financing. I know the last time ago I am said the throne was already shattered for this my house almost 6 months ago. To prove this one, it's my own residential again. It's my again residential. I will go to inside. I walk on the street. I will walk on the stairs. I am close push the door. The gate. This is already the road of Jollibee subdivision in Davao City, not already cemented. See you. Thank you so much. Kamikmik, Chupalo, Pagsure, Oy Vlog.